Getting the transmission mount out can be very dangerous for the car, and the tailstock itself can crack in two pieces if you do it improperly, so make sure you use a lot of heat and pay attention to the readings on your calipers. My bore is 63.6 millimeters, the old stock is 64.08, and the new one is even larger than the bore. So, I have to take it to the machine shop, meaning that I'm back in SAE units. It's a 2.522 inch diameter, meaning that I have 22 thou to play with. 10 thou out of cylindricity means I'm halfway there by the time I get this thing back into round. So I took 10 thou off from each side and then dressed it again to get the proper diameter. I froze the mount overnight and then heated the tailstock until it was burning off grease around it. Then I tapped it in with a hammer to get it square and followed it by lightly tapping in a star pattern until I got the mount in. It's time sensitive, so anytime it got stuck, I would heat it with a torch. After getting it flush with the passenger side of the car, I decided it was done. If the mount were in a clock, the bolt hole should be at 6. It's about 6:30 for me, so I called it good enough. Finally, we're ready to drive the car.
So after replacing all these components, the shifting is really nice, even in second gear where our synchro is completely gone. You can hear that there's a little transmission noise because the covers are broken, but other than that, in neutral, can't hear a peep. It's an excellent project, and I'm glad it's done. It was something that really was needed, and I can now downshift in the car like butter. All of the fluids are replaced and clean, so they're gonna last for a long time. And now it's just on to some basic maintenance. Next, we're gonna cover some brakes, how to rebuild your calipers, replace your rotors, and your basic oil change on the car. I hope to see you then.